Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your rugged radio M1. First, let's get acquainted with this robust device. The M1 is a powerful 55-watt mobile radio, built to withstand harsh conditions with its IP67 waterproof housing. To begin, simply turn the volume knob clockwise until you hear a click. This powers on the unit. Continue turning the knob to set your desired audio level for clear communication. Now, let's master channel selection and volume. To change channels, simply rotate the dedicated channel knob. Remember, you might need to press and hold the lock button first to unlock the keypad. If you're monitoring two channels, the A/B button allows you to quickly switch between them. Adjust your volume using the same knob you used to power on the radio, ensuring optimal listening comfort. Beyond basic communication, the M1 offers several advanced functions. The P1 and P2 buttons are programmable presets, allowing instant access to your two most used channels. If you're on a digital channel, pressing the TXD button will open a menu for sending preset messages. For deeper radio settings and information, navigate through the intuitive menu by pressing the gear icon. To ensure your rugged M1 performs its best, follow these care and best practices. Always ensure your antenna is properly mounted. This is crucial for maximizing your radio's range and transmission clarity. Connecting your radio directly to the vehicle's battery helps filter electrical noise and provides stable power. For the clearest audio, hold the microphone close to your lips when speaking, as these are noise-canceling microphones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.